Hello friends, do you know what day it is today? Let's figure it out together. Can you look on the board and find the last shape that we drew in our pattern? The last shape we drew in our pattern will be the shape we drew yesterday. And when we know what yesterday was, then we can figure out what today is. What do you think it is? Do you see it on the board? Did you guess green shamrock? A green shamrock was the last shape we drew in our pattern. So yesterday was Monday, March 22nd, 2021. And to find today, we're going to move one square over to the right. We always go left to right when we're reading. So this square will be today, and we are going to put in the next shape in our pattern so that while we're working on our calendar, we know where to come back to while we're doing our date. So if yesterday was a shamrock, what do you think today will be? Oh, I hear some great guesses. Let's go back to the beginning and do our pattern and see if we're correct. Are you ready? Do it with me. Green shamrock, yellow circle, 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 green shamrock, yellow circle. Did you guess yellow circle? Let's put a yellow circle into our square. You can practice on your calendar or on a piece of paper or with your finger in the air. Any of those is a good way to practice. Are you ready? We'll start up at the top and go all the way around and then color it in. It's okay if our circle isn't perfectly round or has some bumps or straight lines. That's okay. We are just practicing and we'll get better the more that we practice. Now that we've put the shape in our square for today, we can figure out the rest of the information for our date, but we can also read the words in the calendar. Can you see those? Let's spell them out. Capital P-U-P-P-Y, that spells puppy. And then it's a capital D-A-Y, and that spells day, Puppy Day. It's National Puppy Day. And National Puppy Day is just a fun day where we can appreciate the puppies in our lives. So if you have a puppy at home, or if your friend has a puppy, or maybe your grandparents have a puppy, or your neighbor has a puppy, we can celebrate those puppies by playing with them, or drawing a picture of them, or cuddling them. Do you have a puppy? I don't have a puppy. I really love puppies. I love playing with puppies, but I don't like the responsibility of having a puppy. It's a lot of responsibility to feed them and bathe them and walk them and play with them. And I don't have a lot of time to do that. Plus they poop a lot and I would have to clean up their poop and I don't really want to do that. So I just go to my friend's house and I play with my friend's puppy because that is a good way for me to have fun with a puppy without having lots of responsibility. So in honor of Puppy Day today, I decided to make my own puppies. Have you ever made your own puppies? I made these puppies. Look at these. I think they need some names. So I think I'm going to call this one Spot because he's got a little spot on his eye. And this one, I think I'm going to name him Pepper. He has some ears that remind me of another dog that I used to know, and we'll call him Pepper. Do you like that name, Pepper? It's a hit, so that'll be a good one. What about if they help us with the calendar today? Would that be fun? I think it would be great if they help us with the calendar. Maybe we can take turns? No, how are we going to figure out who's going to go first? I think we should take turns. Let's start with Spot. Well, we have to start with somebody, so we'll start with Spot. And you can come back when Spot is done and we'll just take turns, okay? Okay, so we'll start with Spot, and Spot will help us figure out what the day of the week is. Do you remember how many days are in a week? Let's go up to the top and count them up and say their names together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job! Thank you for helping us with that. It's much more fun when we sing it together, isn't it? Thank you so much. So now we know that this is today. Let's go up the column to see what day it is. And it says Tuesday. So it's Tuesday today, and Tuesday begins with the letter T. And T sounds like t, t, t. Can you try that? T, t, t. Good job. Can you try that? No, he's not much of a talker. So some words that start with T are today, tomorrow, turtle. Those are all great words. So Tuesday begins with a capital T because it's the name of our day. Tuesday. 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 And Tuesday has 2 syllables. Will you clap them with me? Tuesday. Excellent. One more time. Tuesday. Good job. Let's put Tuesday into the sentence in our agenda. Did you bring your agenda today? It's okay if you don't have an agenda. You can practice on a piece of paper, or you can practice by putting the numbers and letters in the air with your finger. Are you ready? We'll start by putting in the first 2 words, which are today is. And today starts with a capital T because it's the name of our day. T-O-D-A-Y. And then is, I-S. And Tuesday, capital T because it's the name of our day. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. And then a comma. And that comma reminds us to pause before we say our next word. And the next word is going to be the month. And do you remember how many months are in the year? Oh, Pepper remembers. Pepper's going to help us with that. Are you ready to count them up and say them together? Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 months in the year. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. That was really good, wasn't it? Do you remember what month it is? It's the 3rd one from the top. Let's count down. 1, 2, 3. And the 3rd month is March. And March begins with a capital M. Can you say the sound for M? Good job. Excellent. And some words that start with the letter M are marvelous, monkey. Capital M because it's the name of our month. M-A-R-C-H. March. And March has 1 syllable. Will you clap it with me? March. Good job. One more time. March. Excellent. Let's put March into the sentence in our agenda. Today is Tuesday, comma, March. March starts with a capital M because it's the name of our month. M-A-R-C-H. Oh, you did such a good job, Spot. Thank you. Next, we will figure out the number. And what do you think the number is today? Ooh, good guessing. Do you remember what the number was yesterday? Let's check it out. So yesterday was 22. And when we count, we say 22, but when we put it in the calendar, we say 22nd. Can you say 22nd? Good job. So yesterday was the 22nd. What do you think today will be? I hear some great guesses. Let's go back to the beginning and count up all of our numbers and days and see if our guess is correct. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Did you guess 23? Good job. Let's put 23 into our calendar. You can practice on your calendar or your paper, or you can practice by putting the 23 in the air with your fingers. Are you ready? 23 has 2 digits, a 2 and a 3. So we'll start by doing the 2, and we'll start here and go up in a curve and come down to the left on an angle and then a line across. Oh, that was very good, Spot. That's the first time Spot's ever made a 2. That's really good. Let's start up at the top and curve to the left and come back, and then go curve out to the left again and come back. Oh, good job, Spot. 2 and a 3 beside each other make a 23. So when we count, we say 23, but when we put it in the calendar, we say 23rd. Can you say 23rd? Good job. Let's count backwards. Are you ready? 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoops, it looks like Pepper had a little trouble with the crayon there, but that's okay. Today is Tuesday, comma, March 23. Let's put a 2. Oh, good job. Good job, Pepper. And a 3. And then a comma. And that comma reminds us to pause before we say the year. And the year is up at the top, 2021. So Pepper is going to put in a 2, 0, 21, and then a period. And that period reminds us to stop. That is the end of our sentence. Let's do the whole sentence together. Are you ready? Today is Tuesday, March 23rd, 2021. Good job. Next, we're going to practice our numbers all the way up to number 23 because we want to get really good at them. So I'm going to practice every day, and I'd like it if you practice too. If you don't have a paper to practice on, you can just practice in the air with your finger as we go along. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Good job, Spot. That was a lot of numbers for you to do on your first day. Good for you. That was a good job, wasn't it? Aren't Spot and Pepper taking turns so well? What great friends that they're taking turns and being patient with each other while the other one is having a turn. That's really good. Did you peek outside today to see what the weather was like before we got started? What is the weather like where you are? Is it rainy? It's not raining here. What about partly cloudy, partly sunny? Is the sun out, but the clouds are out, dancing around? It's not partly cloudy, partly sunny here. What about cloudy? Is it cloudy where you are? It's not cloudy here. What about snowing? Is it snowing where you are? It's not snowing here. Sunny. Is it sunny where you are? It's sunny where we are. So we're going to put sunny on the board. And will you help us put it into our weather chart? Let's see. We're looking for sunny, and this is rainy. So that's not what we want. Snowing? Nope. Sunny. And we already have some tally marks in here. Do you remember what this one is? When we have this, we got 4 tally marks and a strike through it. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, that's a 5. And how many do we have here? 1, 2, 3. 5 plus 3. Let's see what that equals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 tally marks already. And now we're going to add 1 more. What's 8 plus 1? Oh, I hear some good guesses. Let's put in a tally mark. You can practice on your paper or in the air. Go straight down. Oh, the marker's not working. Burp. So let's count them up and see if our guess is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8 plus 1 equals 9. And if you have 5 plus 4, that also equals 9. So we've had 9 sunny days so far. So we'll put a sunshine into our agenda. We're running out of room. Spot used a lot of space on the paper to practice printing, and that's okay because when we're practicing, we need to do that sometimes. It's okay. Next, I'm going to draw a picture of an activity that I'm going to do today, and I would like you to draw a picture of an activity that you're going to do as well. You can do it while I'm doing it or when we're done doing our calendar time. Just pick one activity, anything that you're doing. Maybe cuddling a puppy, walking a puppy, any of those things is fun. So I'm going to draw a picture of myself, and I'm going to be walking my puppies. My paper puppies. Is that silly? Let's do our feet this way. I'm wearing all the same color today. Do you ever wear all of the same color? And then a leash. And let's do a little head. Oh, my puppy is gonna look funny, I think. And we're gonna go for a walk. Next, I'm gonna put my name at the bottom, and I would like you to practice printing your name as well. We need to practice printing our name every day so we get really good at it. Don't forget to put a capital at the beginning of your name. C-E-L-Y-N-N-E. Good job. And yesterday I was feeling pretty happy and content. What were you feeling like yesterday? Did your feelings stay the same all day, or did you have more than one feeling? I think we have more than one feeling every day. I wonder, am I still happy today? It's puppy day. I might be a little bit more excited than just happy. Let's see. Or maybe I'm nervous. I'm going to take a puppy for a walk today. Could I be nervous? Maybe I don't know how, or maybe I might be nervous that the puppy might get away from me and run away and I have to go find it. That would be kind of scary. What about angry? Are you angry today? Maybe something bad happened that you didn't like, or you woke up grouchy, maybe you didn't sleep very well. What about sad? Are you sad today? Maybe you're sad that you don't have a puppy or a kitty, or maybe you're sad that you can't find your favorite toy, or maybe you're super excited that you have a puppy or a kitty, or that you get to take a puppy for a walk, or that you get to go for some cuddles. Maybe you're super excited about something else that's happening today. I think that I am probably happy again today. So let's put happy on the board. And my kind thing is I'm going to go help my neighbor with their puppy. They have an older dog. It's not really a puppy anymore, but I'm going to go help my neighbor take the dog for a walk. Sometimes our neighbors don't feel well, or they're older and they can't always do it themselves. So I'm going to be a little bit responsible today and help my neighbor walk their dog. And in doing that, I'll be doing something very kind for them. Can you find something kind to do today? I hope you find something wonderful and kind to do, and we will see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye, friends. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.